everybody, this is Jackie from Myers Stitch and Post, and I want to invite you to come and join us on a little journey through some of the basics of quilting. We get asked every day about how to cut, what a scant quarter inch is, and a bunch of other topics that we're going to cover off in a series of short little videos. And here I want to start off with the very first thing that you're going to do, and that is you're going to go to your favorite quilt shop and you're going to buy large quantities of fabric. And what I see people doing is they think they're folding their sheets, and they take their fabric and they fold it in half, and they fold it in half, and they fold it in half again until they're ready to use it. And then what happens is they have to unfold their fabric to start cutting. I'm going to show you my very first special little trick. And hopefully you have an 8.5 by 24 inch ruler. If you don't have one, I strongly suggest that you go out and buy it. Lay your fabric on the table with your ruler and start wrapping your fabric around the ruler just like this. And when you're done, I'm going to show you one of the benefits of this. One of the many benefits. Slide your ruler out, fold your fabric in half, and now you can take that to your bookshelf or your favorite fabric shelf, lay that on the shelf, and now all of your fabrics that you buy will be folded in this nice compact little package. You can see clearly what it is, and when you're ready, you can remove it from the shelf, bring it to your ironing station or your cutting table, open the fabric up, and just uncurl enough fabric so that you can start working on it. Now, isn't that a whole lot easier than the method that I showed you before? This is just trick number 1 from Jackie and the girls at the Myers Stitch and Post. Join me for my next video on how to cut properly.